Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena, and today we're still gonna talk about LG bumpers, and that bumper is made by a YouTuber from Japan, and the channel name is Chronic Crew. And today I'm gonna add some of my idea into this LG bumper. So let's start with today's video. Let's go. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about this LG bumper, and this video I already got the permission from the YouTube channel Chronic Crew and the creator about get his permission to make this video. Okay, even though I'm going to make it a little bit different because this time I'm going to add my idea, because if you guys watch my channel last year when I went to LA race, I'm basically making a very similar idea as this LG bumpers, but at that time I only just explained a little bit in the video. So if you guys interesting, I put the videos here and you guys can take a look at it. So you can see here front I'm using the 13mm ball bearing, the old version, and top I'm using the 13mm lightweight rollers, and the rear at the bottom I'm using the tapered 19mm, and the top I'm using the 6-hole aluminum 19mm. And for this one at the front I have the easy pivots front, and the rear I have the uncut version, the anchor systems. So this is uncut version. So as you guys can see, the way I made it and he made it is totally different, because the LG bumper, he has the sliding dampers, and you also have the AT system, and AT system is the same idea that we both has it, but for my idea it doesn't have a sliding options, but for his it doesn't have like the anchor options, so he cannot move front and the back. He only can make the sliding left and right. Okay, so now this one I already combination with his idea and my idea, so I put those two ideas together and it becomes this setup. So now I'm gonna take it off and show you guys how he looks like. Okay, so here as you guys can see, now there's no support at the back, but this one can still doing the sliding, okay, and still can do the anchor like the AT, sorry. But now because I add my idea on that as well, so this one right now can also do backward. Okay, so here you guys can see this one is basically very similar idea. Now we can move exactly same as the anchor systems. Okay, so this one can move backward right now. This one here, sliding again, and AT. Okay, so this is just a quick review for what happens if you see somebody's idea. It's good sometimes if you put your own idea, and maybe that will work as what you want it to be. All right, so that's also actually I have to thank the YouTube channel Chronic Crew, and he created this idea. Actually it's very good because it complete my idea as well. So he make this one and I can put my idea, and we both put the idea together and it become a good one. All right, so this is today's video, and for the next video I think I'm going to do the uncut version, like you guys see, like the one I had it before. I show you the video, and that's the uncut version. But this time I'm gonna do the challenge. I'm trying to make this kind of a system, make it uncut as well. So this way, if I'm going to LA, or even though I'm going to Toronto, I know those like the rules they have is uncut tune class, so that what I can use on the tune class. Alright, so this is today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next